Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the man wey dey talk am as e be, say na we dey do ourselves for south. We no dey like to dey help ourselves. Say but for Buhari dey help the people. So make we no dey blame Buhari again. Make I leave you, make you hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa.
Yeah, my people, now good morning. We thank Baba God for the wonderful things when He do they do for our life. Because not only when they put road for where road not they, and not only when they talk word when they reach. And any word when they talk, nobody go fit change am. No boy, no girl go fit change am. And we will continue to appreciate them every day because now be the reason why we dey alive today. And anything we God talk, now final, and nobody go fit change am. This morning, I want put mouth for this matter when they be say, if we know they tell ourselves the truth, we go continue to dey deceive ourselves. That's the reason why I want talk this matter as it dey be. Say for South, now we be our problem. Make we dey begin dey blame ourselves. Now we dey do ourselves. Now we dey do ourselves for South. When our fellow Satana, senator, House of Red members, or anybody for South, when they dey position, if they want give our people employment, if they want give us employment, or we go meet them for employment, we go speak good English, we go dey speak grammar, we go write excellent application letter to impress them. They go even tell us, so you are going to bring your qualification. We go run, we go bring our first degree, we go bring a first class and second class upper. They go tell us, say, oh yeah, go and bring your master, even PhD, for us to get the job. This one are waiting our Satanans we dey do to ourselves. For the other side, the Northerners. Any Northerner go dey position to give employment to a fellow Northerner. Once he speak Hausa to the person, he speak Hausa to them. The next thing go tell am say, Zomana, go bring your qualification. And the fellow Hausa man, he go bring third class degree or SSC with 2 credits. Now he will go bring come. Before you know, the Hausa man, he go give him the job. And as he give her the job, make una listen, the Hausa man go begin to save money for future education. As he begin to save money for future education, before you know, he don't get master degree. Even when they do that job, even when they do that work, he don't get master degree. Tomorrow, that same Hausa man, they will call appoint him as executive director. 10 years later, or 5 years later, or 15 years later, that Hausa man, he will become chairman or DG of agency for Nigeria. And we the Satanans will come see him say, this one I hate Sado. Hausa, they hate us. This one and nepotism. We will begin to accuse Hausa man. So this one and nepotism. Why be say now let their people that they employ? Why be say now let their people that they give work? We will begin to talk everything. My brother, no be nepotism. No be nepotism. Now because they know wetin they do. For now we Satan are supposed to understand who we be. Once any Satan at their position, once you go meet her and say, Oga, madam, give me work. They go say, oh yeah, bring your qualification. You go write, you go speak good English. You go write good handwriting, good letter. Then you go write. Go give the Satan person for office. Before you know, You go say, go bring your qualification. You get first degree, you get second degree, you get PhD, you get master, no. Before you know, work you no go get. And that person, I thought you don't give am work, you will go back to square one. But Hausa person go dey position. If fellow Hausa man go come, he go dey find work. The next week go ask him, go say, bring certificate. Certificate we go get na third class primary school certificate or secondary school. Now he go bring come. As he bring am come, the Hausa man go employ him, he go give am work. He say, as you dey here now, begin dey finance your education. Before you know, that Hausa man will get third class for primary school certificate. He go begin dey save money to go do exam. Before you know, 10 years down the line, he don't get on the qualification. They'll come make that Hausa man DG. Then we for Southside will come they cry, hey, oh, Buhari, oh, nepotism, Buhari, they give only Hausa job. When we the certain and day position, we they help ourselves. We they help ourselves. No, now we they do ourselves. Before we go begin to blame Buhari now, but we begin to blame ourselves. Before we go to blame Fulani, Hausa, make we begin to blame ourselves. Now we be our problem. Now we they do ourselves. Because we official and we speak English pass, England do. Now we know English pass, now we know book pass. Go different university for South. Certain person, now he go be vice chancellor. Now they go be HOD for different departments. When a certain go come to call you for job, we go say, hey, you never get PhD, only master, marrying with anywhere, and they don't go give a job. They don't give a job. They will come begin to blame Northerner, where they give job to only people. Will come begin to blame Buhari, where they give job to only Northerner, and when they call them nepotism, not be nepotism. Not be nepotism. Not be nepotism. So, make we begin to look inward. And I don't say me, I will continue to talk as it be. Say, now we for South, now we they do ourselves. Now we they do ourselves. Or do my do body. When they reduce cut-off mark for JAM, for post-UME, post-UTME, whatever they call them, they will reduce them or not. Our own for South, we will increase the cut-off mark to 200. 250, 300, because now we go school pass. Even as we dey go school pass, we don't agree help ourselves. So Southerners, make we not bother to dey blame Northerners again. Make we begin to blame ourselves. Now we they do ourselves. You go see one Southerner go dey one position. Instead of her to help his brother, you go say, hey, girl, you go say, no, let us do. There is no vacancy. That same position, Hausa man go dey. Before you know, one of the Hausa man be shoemaker. He don't remove her from street. He go give her work. Go check street. Hausa people know they do shoemaker again. The people that do shoemaker, now the people that come from Niger and Mali, now they do shoemaker for Nigeria now. Even I never know, make una know. South Satana, we say that we go school pass. Now go school pass. You see some Satanans, when in their position, instead of her to help his brother or his sister, he go say, no, you know, let me do. At times, he go tell if he help her, that his brother, you know, they respect her again. He will come get money pass her. Now we they do ourselves. That's why time not reach. Make we begin to look inward. Make we begin to look inward. Say, this matter with the grant. Now we Satanans. Now we be our problem. Now we they do ourselves. If I talk about job interview, a Satana go office where Satana be the chairman, where be DG, where be director. The next thing, you go there, you go write good essay letter. You go bring, they'll say, bring your credential. You go bring a master's degree. You go bring everything. The next thing, they'll say, go and bring your PhD. You can't go bring your PhD. Job you know go get. But Hausa man, where be saying a primary school certificate, third class, now he gets. They go give him work. They go give Hausa man work. He go to do work. For that same work, he will go to go school journal. But our own, Satan are going to play brother. Because the certificate, people never complete. You go say, now, he want to take leave, oh, may go school. Before you know, problem don't come. Our guy will say, so now you want to go school pass. You want conscious say that you know pass. Before you know, they don't suck him. Before you know, they don't suck him. Or we're going to tell ourselves, say, now not time be our problem. Certain leaders, our people, make una stop to dey hide opportunity from una people. Make una stop to dey hide opportunity from una people. Make una stop am. Not time they go dey help their brother they succeed. Go check am. Buhari dey help people they succeed, whether we like them or not. Our people, they go dey position. They will never help their brothers or sisters to succeed. And we dey blame Hausa. We dey blame Buhari. Now they do ourselves. We for South. Now they do ourselves. This one a matter when I be say, make all of una sit down, make una dissect am, make una listen very well. If una lie, they lie. Make una go check am well. Hausa they help themselves. We not agree help ourselves. Go check Senator Akpabio. Go check Matthew Rogide. Go check Egbede Yama. Go check all of them. Make una ask them how they help their people. Even though they can't matter say, we go do your job for Akoko Edo. We don't help ourselves. Now we be our problem. Now we be our problem. The petroleum bill where the power show. Where are our senators? Where are our House of Rep members? They die. It's not because they are only interested in their money. They are only interested in their money. What you concern them, what they do was not concern them. Go check University of Benin. You know how many Satan are their position? When I go ask, how many of the people they don't give job? Some people they big church. They get position, they say they go fit, give their brothers and sisters work. Before you know, you go say, no, let us do. There is no room for vacancy. But that same position, Hausa man go see vacancy, give the brother. Hausa man go see vacancy, give the brother. But Satan, no, we don't agree help ourselves. So, make we not blame Buhari again. Now we be our problem, now we they do ourselves. And do body. This one a serious matter. Where we really need to look inward. And me, I go to talk as it be. I go to talk as it be. No more room for sentiment. Make we begin the call spade is spade. Say now we, for such, now we, they do ourselves. Oil derivation, money where they give us. No be with a chopper. Our people go to build hotel. Desiani. No be she get billions of now. What she cheap? Who she free help for region? Nobody. We want to blame Hausa. No. We don't blame them all. Hausa no be our problem. Now we be our own problem. As I talk and so it be. Make we go put, when I go put set light for this matter. Go check all position. Go check everywhere. Where Satan are they. You don't go see fellow Satan. They move with them. Lie. Because they want to become all talking and they want to become the master of all. He want make sure say, now lay one, people go they look up to from South. Now lay one would do there. But for Hausa, no. You see Hausa man would employ themselves to go. They would fly. They would encourage themselves to go. But for South, for where? For where? Greed. Covetousness. No, they let us see road. Now let's South now. Now we go road, collect money to do road. We don't go do and where. And we're going to blame not. We're going to blame Buhari. No. The question we're supposed to ask ourselves now. Our senators from this zone, what thing that they do? They go to sleep for Abuja. They carry women. They drink. They build houses. They buy the latest car. Finish. So my people, that's why I want to talk and read this morning. Say now we they do ourselves for South South. No be Hausa. Now we they do ourselves for South South. No be Hausa people they do us. Now we they do us. Now we they do ourselves. Now we they do ourselves. Go check certain and we go be ambassador. He go punish the people, he go punish the people, he go punish the people. He no agreement Santana for Wakap. Now the fellow Santana go call police for your own brother. Now Santana go call soldier for a brother for abroad. Hausa man go dey protect his own, but we go dey destroy our own. We go dey betray ourselves. At the same time, we'll come and say, now Hausa be our problem. Now lie, now we be our problem. Now we be our problem. Now we be our problem. When Hausa talk say they want to remove electronic voting from election, what till the Satan they leader they do? All of them they keep quiet. Why? Because they don't collect their own share. They don't want to lose their position. My people, now we they do ourselves. And time not reach for us to look inward. This matter, now serious matter. Make everybody sit down. Go check this matter. Position where Satan are there. He not go agree. Make his fellow Satan rise. He not go agree. Make his fellow Satan even buy better motor for that same office. He not go agree. Make fellow Satan build better house. He not go agree because of wickedness, because of envy and jealousy. But Hausa man, he not mind. He go let your brother get everything because he knows that as him they grow, that's why brother they grow. As the brother they grow, that's why the family they grow. But for us, no way. Greed or longer throat. Now the warriors, I too know ITK. Now I too know. Now the warriors for South ITK, my meanwhile, we don't know anything. The people who talk say don't know anything. Now them they help themselves. We when we say we know everything, we know they help ourselves. I too know. ITK, greed. That be our problem. Greed. That be our problem. One person want get one street for Southside. Now Satan and one get one street. I also not get time. They help themselves, but we know they help ourselves. Go UBTS, go Unibank, go check all those areas where Satan are there. You go see and say, now non-indigenous position. We don't agree help ourselves. May I help you? Then we will pray to God, Father, give my member a job. Shut up your mouth. We can't pray, they pray. When you did that position, why you don't give your brother a job? You will say, no, let you do. You will say, okay, bring your prayer request. Not be prayer request. When you did that position, why you not help your brother for that position? Why you not help your sister for that position? You don't agree help. You will see me the bring prayer point. You will call the phone prayer partner. So yeah, come and be my prayer partner. Let me be praying with you. But meanwhile, you did position where you go still help your brother for South. Like, who help? You know help. You know go help. Like you wow. Then I can't blame. When I can't blame Hausa people say they help themselves. No, man, I not blame Hausa people for helping themselves. Oh. No. Make we not blame Hausa people. Make we not blame Hausa people. Hausa people they help themselves. But we for South, no, we don't agree help ourselves. Oh. You want me come get money past me? You want me better pass me? For waiting now. Why my brother go come to drive that better motor we me never buy for waiting. Well, sick money, we don't love ourselves. For South, we don't love ourselves. We don't love ourselves. We too they pretend. Ma pretend it be. Northern man, free come area, you go look at that, shoot that observe. If you make one man security guard for your area, before you know, you'll go bring your family brothers come. Better wow, EJ man, that we know pass. You say, no, I don't want my brother to come and hear me. I don't want him to know. He got the form. But outside don't get time, they help themselves. But we for South, we know they help ourselves. Job also for give our brother to make our brother better, we'll go hide the job. We don't give our brother the job. We go sit down on top of the job. We go sit down on top of the appointment. We go sit down on top of promotion letter. Then we go say, now not be our problem. For not, The nurse and doctors were there for nurse. Their salary different from the nurse and doctors were there for Southside. I'm gonna go find out. Nurse were there the same level. The same level with the nurse for Southside. They only collect the same salary. They only collect the same salary. Our own, they go sit down, they go cut the salary, they go cut, and the flip. Until there is no more salary for them to chop, to take pay school fees. But for not, they don't get, go check out. I beg, make we know they deprive ourselves again. If we must make this nation better, Satan, we must wake up and begin to help ourselves. Time don't reach for us to support ourselves. Not be all this bubu yeah, what would they do? Mona ask to my now. Mona ask Yama, make una ask all of them, Cleveland, all there. How they say they help their people? Nothing. I hear they go see they put solar street light, they say they don't work. Nothing. Maybe they can go share wheelbarrow, they can go buy a pan and a broom for people to sweep. But meanwhile, the job, when the people say their brothers are occupy, they don't give their brother, I will some go occupy them, they go say Winero. Go check a petroleum this one they build for airport road. Go there. Now some people. What our leaders they do? Nothing. Nothing. Because of greed and wickedness. Then will they blame Hausa? We not blame Hausa again. Now we they do ourselves. Now here I want to run this message this morning. Because this evening we'll continue from here. Because now we they do ourselves. Go check all embassy. May go see how we they punish ourselves. Go check how we they punish ourselves. Embassies, go and check it. Go see how we take they punish ourselves. For airports, go see how we take they punish ourselves. But Hausa man, immediately say Hausa man, you don't speak Hausa, you don't get the fine. But our own, if you speak Bini, you know why you speak Bini for where? And when they blame Hausa people, say, Hausa people, now land, you know they have a problem. Once Hausa man don't speak Hausa to a fellow brother, anything they find will get. But about speak Bini, go speak English. You will go even miss for office, while we tell you, pardon, you will look you, he will reply you with English. You don't want to speak Bini. So, if even they try, Yoruba they would try. But Bini, oh man, we know they speak. We they pretend. Who they phone for? I expect if you go to Bini of my office, when people are Bini man, if you speak Bini, you should get what you are looking for. If somebody to speak Bini, you will begin to speak English. So that may not for help you. Wicked people. And we they blame Hausa. And once Hausa man enter position, and once you speak Hausa, that thing they get her. And they speak from experience. From experience. When my church they Kosodi that year, he get this Hausa man when they sell kuli for Johnson, for Kosodi baggage. As they call, I go say, Pastor, I go answer them. Before they go say, Pastor, come. Before I know, it don't pack kuli, pack outside ground and put for something make a chop. It will give me water journal. But Christians see me, oh, they don't say, Pastor, can't take water. Now, Hausa will give me kuli. He will give me outside granite. He will give me water journal. He will say, Pastor, you try today. But Christians, when they look at ourselves, they say, no man, I want better pastors. Hey, there ain't no pass. Go where Hausa man they say something. From experience, once you go where they say something, and you speak Hausa for them, money, if that thing had 10 naira before, they go sell them for you 5 naira. Our own EGM, they go increase them. They go say, true to God. God knows that this is how much we will lie. We will lie, Jonah. We will use God a lie. We will cheat ourselves. We will say, we will lie, Jonah. We will say, true to God. True to God. Meanwhile, you will lie, Jonah. If we not wake up, if we not begin to help ourselves, nobody go come help us. Nobody go come help us. Nobody will come help us. Nobody will come help us. So this matter, we need to really sit down, dissect them. You go say, we Satan. Now we they do ourselves. You get one day they come, now okay, make I buy carrots. Somebody will follow me, they speak Hausa. As the person speak Hausa to the house, somebody they sell them. My sister, make you happen. The price of the carrot, he reduced them by 20%. Not be joke. He reduced them by 20% because he speak Hausa for them. But if you speak Bini, oh, they will cheat you more. If you speak Igbo, oh, they will cheat you more. If you speak Yoruba, oh, they will cheat you more. They will say, now, also they do us. Now, lie. Now, we, they do ourselves. Now, we, they do ourselves. Go check the position where Satan and door occupy. Go check how they help themselves. Go and check. And with a brave Buhari, we say nepotism. Not be nepotism. Not be nepotism. Buhari, they help people. Buhari, they help people. I don't blame Buhari again. I don't blame her again. Buhari, they help people. When they say, hey, so Buhari, he hates the people of the South. Now, lie. Buhari like people, they support the people. Why we did it? Will they help ourselves? Will they help ourselves? No. Employment scheme go come out. Appointment scheme go come out. We go sit down top. We no go green make our brother enter. We no agree make our brother get an appointment. If we don't reach the time to recruit police, where our senators, they go sit down. They don't go do anything. If they want to recruit, they want to put people for different positions. What our people they do? They go sit down. They no go talk. They no go talk. They no go talk. And we dey blame Buhari. See, I don't talk as from today. I don't go blame Buhari again. Now we be our problem. Now we dey do ourselves. From A to Z. From A to Z. Now we dey do ourselves. Now we dey do ourselves. Now we. That's why some of us they come and say, we're going to talk as it be, and we're going to do as it be. Because enough is enough. We're going to begin to hold all our leaders accountable. Because now them, they are our problem. Now them, they are our problem. And them, they are our problem. But not blame Buhari again. No. Me, I don't repent. I don't blame Buhari again. Now we are going to blame, now we're going to talk to ourselves now. You keep blaming Buhari, I would blame ourselves. Go check airports, go check immigration. Not be our people there. Not be our people. Go jam office. Who be the leaders? Not be our people. What I'm talking about? Go UBTS. The head of UBTS, not be Benin person. Go ask him how he doesn't improve the life of Benin people for UBTS. What they talking about today? Go, and we will go government house one day because of one matter. Now they come say, well, we not go feel CSSG because we never do COVID-19, because we never take vaccine. That's why they crash with vaccine. You tell all of us the campaign, all of us the desert rain with a shout, talk about with a shout. We not talk say coronavirus day. We don't enter now. We not say we go take vaccine. Now shout for the guy where they get that they want to get out from here. Get out from here. So maybe our problem. Maybe our problem. When people they shout, when people they shout, we are not talking coronavirus day. We are not talking not take vaccine. Now election don't pass now. When people want to see you now say who not take vaccine, make it not see you now. We kill people and we go to blame ourselves. We're going to blame ourselves. I go continue to talk as it be. Why me may? You got time with us here. Go check all positions where outside they help themselves. But we know they help ourselves. My help be man. And we blame ourselves. But not blame ourselves again. But they blame ourselves. My people now here around this message this morning. We'll see later in the day. I go hammer this message. Time don't reach for us to begin help ourselves. Enough is enough. God will bless all of you now. Now, bye-bye.
Now we don't hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make for the hear all the things when they happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you now with this video. Make you help us share. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.